Welcome back. That's Lena Girl over there. Davey D's right here. Time for some shakas and shout outs.
That's right. Let's kick it off with shakas and shout outs to the Culinary Institute of the Pacific, Hawaii's premier culinary training center at Kapiʻolani Community College.
Yeah, CIP for short brings together culinary education, professional training, and hands-on workforce development programs designed to support Hawaii's growing food and hospitality industries.
And here to tell us about a scholarship-supported culinary training for high school students and industry professionals are Grant Itomitsu, Culinary Arts Department Chairperson at KCC-CIP.
Yes.
Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you.
And you brought a friend. She is Chef Jennifer Medeiros, Special Projects Manager for Hawaii Culinary Institute of America. Aloha and welcome to both of you guys.
Aloha.
Thanks for joining us. Okay, let's start off with, tell us about the workshops that you guys are putting together through this partnership.
Yeah, so we offer a workshop. It's a 3-year plan that we've had, and so we're entering into our last year or finishing up on our last year, and we are doing 2 major cohorts coming up, and that's one is going to be with professionals and the other is going to be with actually high school students.
Oh wow, well that's awesome.
That's amazing. And these are high school students that are coming through academies within their own schools?
Yeah,
is that correct?
Yeah, so not all the DOE schools have academies, but many of them do. So anyone that has interest in doing culinary program, they're welcome to apply, as long as currently they're junior or senior.
That is unreal. That's awesome. Now, can you tell us more about what the participants experience? And to be honest with you, I mean, programs like these are important to Hawaii. How come?
Yeah, I mean, the big thing for us, you know, when we first started this program, we thought about the skill sets. The skill sets are very important, but again, as Chef Jen will also mention, it's also about the mindset. And Chef Roy, who's our director, has helped push that forward. And it's been a wonderful thing that has come out of this. And we're not just trying to develop skills, but we're also trying to develop the pipeline for the Honolulu, Hawaii, to develop the workforce that is able to handle all the necessary tourists that are coming in, all the different types of restaurants that are opening up. So we really need to be able to support it. And sometimes they come through culinary school, sometimes they go directly into the industry and just need a little bit more professional workforce development.
Yeah. And it also allows for our high school students to stay home and find careers here in Hawaii.
Absolutely.
Chef Jen, you want to add anything to what Grant just talked about?
Yes, our 2 cohorts that are available coming up this summer in June are Global Explorations and Techniques and the High School Fundamentals. So both are completely different, but the first one, the Global Explorations, brings in the industry chefs and the professional chefs and teaches them about global techniques and healthy cuisines. And then the high school cohort is a lot more on the basic knife skills, leadership in the kitchen, hands-on learning. So,
yeah, I mean, I think it's important to build that strong foundation.
Yes.
So that they can really see how hard this job is. It is. This is tough work.
Yeah, well, it changes lives.
Oh,
you see
absolutely.
the evolution from the beginning of the week to the end, and you see how they completely come alive. A lot of the students, both industry chefs and the young ones. So it's very rewarding on both ends.
So you said basic knife skills. We're not doing like Benihana action yet. This is the beginning steps. Are we walking first?
Yeah, you gotta walk first.
You gotta cut once before you can cut plenty. All right. So tell me, how can people apply? This sounds so incredible. And is this scholarship support available?
Yes, through various different sponsors. There's quite a few scholarships available. Through Hawaii Ag and Culinary Alliance, as well as others, and then OHA as well.
Awesome.
For local for
Native
Hawaiians.
Hawaiians,
Yes.
Yeah.
So does that person need to apply for all of these smaller scholarships, or they can just apply once?
Yeah, they just apply one time.
Beautiful.
And so they can go to culinaryinstitute.hawaii.edu. They can put in their application, which is going to end this Friday,
29th.
29th. Yeah.
Oh, so move quickly.
Yes.
It's Wednesday. We only have a few more days.
I like make that onion with the flames in the volcano. I'm fixated on Benihana for some reason.
That's fine. You gotta start foundation first, brother.
Okay,
learn how to cut the onion first without crying, okay? Grant Itomitsu, Chef Jennifer Medeiros, we thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much for giving our youth and our aspiring chefs a place to come and learn.
Aloha.
Mahalo nui.
Mahalo,
Mahalo.
guys. All right, time for to take a break. And since we're talking about food, here's a shout out to Camille's Hawaiian Food in the Westgate Plaza in Waipahu. Camille serves up authentic island comfort food made with care, flavor, and aloha.
From their famous cracked chicken to traditional in-house specialties like laulau, squid luau, and rich savory patele stew, every dish is crafted to give you that real local experience. And don't forget to save room for their popular pistachio cake, the perfect sweet finish.
That bug is ono. Now, if you're planning a graduation party or a special event, Camille's has you covered with catering options designed to fit any gathering, whether you need large party pans, convenience set bentos, or fully customized bento orders to match your budget. They make it easy to feed your entire ohana with delicious, authentic Hawaiian food.
Generous portions, local favorites, and flavors everyone will love. Camille's Hawaiian Food is your go-to for catering this graduation season and beyond.
For real island food, real local flavor, and catering that brings people together, Camille's Hawaiian Food is ready to serve you.
For real.